Yeah, viewers and subscriber. From 2021, Miss Redded was my lawyer, right? She do all of the divorce and them thing for me. Right now, the divorce come through and me fi give him 500 and something dollar. And people, be honest with you know. You know why she don't get it? And then call me sometime in the last year too and tell me say the divorce come through. You know why I don't go back there? Pinnock is the one send me to Reddit. You understand what I did? If deal with certain things to me. Even divorce and them thing there. Pinnock is the one send me to Reddit. You understand what I did? And we for my wife do now in send lawyer. Cause we go quote 2021 the 30th of January for 1 o'clock. People, remember everything. You hear me tell you now? Me go there for 1 o'clock. Me go there 30 of January 2021 for 1 o'clock. She send a lawyer come. Cause she don't come. She send a lawyer. You understand what I did? Mr. Dead was my lawyer. You understand what I did? So they end up on Zoom and you understand what I did? Them talk like I know COVID time there. She up on Zoom and she talk to the judge in the court and you understand what I did? So when she don't know, she turned to me and say, Nicholas, me I go contact you. I have your number, me I go make you know what I want. Cause watch know people. She fi make arrangement for me see my son. People so long. From 2021, me I push through certain things. But you see through me is a Jamaican. Alright. Bam. When she fi make a preparation for me see my son, he said, when the divorce come through, I believe that's what she said, when the divorce come through. Me say, alright, look for when the divorce come through. Because the divorce come through how long, then can't much time, and I don't go there. You understand what I did? I don't go there. Because watch you now. People, I go show you what I want. Because not even me youth, me can't see. And you fi make arrangement, for me see me youth as a lawyer, and you don't do it. You understand what I did? Because what them I try to do now, people from them time, me observe certain things, you know, them a plan for me, you know, but me stay far and see things before it happen. You understand what I did? Me stay far and see things before it happen. And I go to Pinnock. And I show Pinnock what I go on. You understand? Say, I know she don't make no arrangement and for me go quote people even at 2022. Me I talk about it. People me have video. Right now, me have video with it. You understand what I did? So what you know, I know she no call me and try to make no arrangement. Nothing. People me go show no what I go on. So, me not see you, none at all. And one morning, she sister come by Tantine in St. George's. Look, you know, she left from Granville, Chapel Road, and come at Tantine in St. George's. Me I go my work. She come and I try to make argument. So you know what me do? I don't say nothing about she. More me just go up on my phone. I just start text. You understand what I did? Listening to people. She's sister come in St. George's. You understand? Left Granville. I can style me as dirty boy. Me say, none of my sister they never have the underwear on it, no eating table. So people, you know what me do? As days of God, me just go up on Facebook and call her name and tell her to take her underwear off the eating table and ask her what is her ambition. People, I'm going to show you what I go on now. For my wife now, you know what she do? Run go down to Granville police station. Say me put up her name on something there on Facebook. Police call me. I say, oh Nicholas, what kind of thing that Mr. What? And them explain that to me. I say, miss, listen me. He's an inspector lady, you know, because I know the lady, you know. He must say, Nicholas, listen me. And I say, okay. I'm listening to what she has say. And I say, miss, when me put it something on Facebook, that is true. Did I call her name? Me say, read it again. Did I call her name? He say, no. Me say, then, she come down at the police station, come tell us, me I call her name, me put up things with her on Facebook. Why? She sister never go down, they go do it. And she me insult. You are going to style me as dirty boy. Why you style me as dirty boy and you more dirty than me? You put underwear on eating table. You think I joke me, make? Boss, you know, if you set up on yourself. Yeah. And that's how we deal with this. Set up on yourself. When I come style people like when you can't style man. I want to know. When you feel when you can't style me. So people, when we go to the lawyer now, you see when we say that, when we put it on Facebook and police, inspector lady call me and me explain myself and ask her, look, if she name did it, he say no. You hear what policewoman tell me, Mr. Brown? Keep away from trouble, here. You know what me do now? Me go report it. Because I go tell you why. You have a Jamaican girl. She know the girl, because the girl left from St. George's. We go buy baby clothes from she. And people, I don't want to talk nothing where she go through. You understand me? I'm going to show you what I want. She baby father. Can you have one little girl up there right now? She baby father. I don't know if he man investigate about me or what. You understand me? I did. But listen what I want. He man up on the carnage in St. George's. I believe the man come here from around on Monday and go look for a little girl. I believe Wednesday he go look for a little girl. People, I know everything what go on, you know. So me just keep back on me easy. One day me dey home and me get a phone call. And I say, yo, what go on? One girl named Brandy or Randy way you know her name. Jamaica she come from. Right now she at Jamaica. People. The girl call me and I say, oh, Nicholas, be careful of yourself, you know. I say, why you say that? He say, oh, 2 man a plan to kill you. I say, what you say? He say, 2 man a plan to kill you. 1 bandit from Grenada and 1 from St. Vincent. He say, the girl turned to me and say, your wife, baby father, I want red man, not true. I say, yes. I say, me don't know the man, you know, but me hear about him. He say, hey, let me tell you something. 2 nights now. Me hear the man pan the carnage attack. So she in herself I wonder say, cause she tell me say him a wonder if him man know say me and your friend. You understand me? I did and him man up on the carnage attack. So him man go to him. She go to him and say, me know one Jamaican named Nicholas, you know, we get one little boy with one girl in a Granville. Him man say yes, and him me attack. And then did they talk, and you hear what man send come tell me, the man, she baby father, send come tell me, say, tell Nicholas if you go look for him picnic. People, me have video now when me just start see picnic in idea care. You hear me tell you no? Me have video. Me tell you no say if you no search for my YouTube channel, you know, you know, I go see everything, you know, because I don't hide nothing. You understand? Because I see where these people careful of what they want to call it. Me see what them up to. You understand me? I did. So when me go to Miss Redhead about you know and me I make she know what go on. You hear what woman tell me? That's why she don't like Jamaican. You hear me tell you no? 2 man, 1 from Grenada and 1 from St. Vincent. So me go to and live. I know people. Not even the judge don't want to hear nothing about it. Not even the lawyer will represent me. Don't want to hear nothing about it. But he lie with them, I call them and tell them, oh, me I send check to you, you want to know about it. You sound no wicked. You sound no hef up. You don't answer that. Boss, you don't need to check on the background, yeah? Check on the background before you deal with people. What goes around comes around. You not go see what I want. Remember me telling you that. You hear where liar look for me and tell me and she if represent me. That's why she don't like Jamaica. And people watch her now. We did it for years. 2021, you know. You go contact me. No contact. Last year, 2023, people look how stupid them be. 2023, make your summons come show you. People no know what I want. Make your summons come show you. And you go skin your TT secretary. Eh? Boss, I want to take people for. I want to feel some name that talk certain things. Eh? And up till now, the summons that they give me, people, make me post it on YouTube already. I want to supposed to see summons. I want to go see it again. I go post it again. Make you not see it. You understand me, did? When me got a court, the judge asked me, when me get that summons? Me say, you give me. Because you the one tell me, don't go away. And you and the policeman go in at the office and when he come out, is that the summons you give me. So you go ask me. So a fool will not take people for. You hear what she say? The judge, you know, she don't know nothing about it. Then you have 3 criminal charge. What is bang belly goat? People, you know, if you go back to school, you know. I don't lie if you tell me, you know. You don't need to go back to school. Me dunks, but on the dunk, sir. Yeah, believe that. Boss, me don't know a system set. Mr. Thomas, all of Mr. Thomas. You're not ready, boss. You don't ready. I know the system set for all you know, Mr. Thomas. I know the whole system for you know. So none of you can grow on this youth. Yeah. None of you. I know the whole system set for you. So none of you can grow on. People, just watch what I go on. The 24th of March? Okay. Where you go charge me for? Why criminal charge? Tell me criminal charge you go charge me for. People, what is bang belly goat? Now make sure I ask you, what is bang belly goat? What is bag of face when you come a court? You need a little money out of me. I know you want to suck a little blood. You are a vampire. You must have a vampire. 3 criminal charge. People, please like, share and comment. Subscribe. Click that notification bell as a video drop. You have it. People, I'm out.